Hello, and welcome to this HelloID Service Automation product release video for April 2020. First, we'd like to go through a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities. In this release, we have 6 new items. The first item is the requester information. We can now use the requester information in the delegated form task. This was already possible in the HelloID product section, but it's now also available in the delegated form. Now the task knows who executed the form. We also have 2 new reports. We have extended the Managed User report. Now it also shows the products that the user owns instead of only a list of all the users per manager. We also have a new report for the product owners. They will be informed with the products they are responsible for, including the users that own the products. With this April release, we have finished the whole API support to create HelloID tasks, data sources, forms, and delegated forms. With this full API product and delegated form support, you can create a complete HelloID service automation instance with all the products and forms an organization needs with one single PowerShell script. Okay, let's demo these new functionalities. We will start with the requester delegated forms variable, and we're in the service desk, logged in as Amir Atkinson, and we will go to this form that we specifically created for this demo. It's really simple. We don't have to fill in anything. The requester variable is filled in by HelloID and passed to the task that is submitted when we click on Submit this form. So if we go to the portal and we go to the task history, here we have the form that has been executed. We can see that the input variable is the requester username, which is Amir Atkinson. We can actually make a modification to this and show you that we can also fill in other variables. We go to the task, Edit, and here we can pass information to the task that needs to be executed. So here we can use auto-completion and use requester, and for example, we want to use the department. So now we're passing the department name to the task that will be executed by this form. This is useful if we want to update the users with the same department name as the requester of the form. We also have 2 new reports, so let's cancel this and go to the Insights section. Here we have 2 new scheduled reports. We already had this report, Overview of Managed Users. This was for the manager to show what users he was responsible for. We have now extended that report so you can also see which user has what products. So this is basically a more detailed version of this report, and here you can also see which products the user has. We also have another new report that's brand new for the product owners. Now the product owner can see which products they are responsible for and who has access to these products. Let's show you the result. So this is one of the reports. This one's been around for a while, and here you have an overview of the users which you, as a manager, are responsible for. And this is one of the new reports. As a manager, we can see what products our users have access to. Let's go to the last new functionality, and that is the API. This is a very powerful option. It took 2 releases to make this API available, and here's the task. So we have this task in HelloID to create one delegated form, including all the items that the form needs to function. It also creates a data source, a form, and all the required tasks to retrieve and set data in the network. Also, the access to the form is set, and the required variables. The whole sequence from tasks until the delegated form, everything is automatically being created. So, one script is creating the whole sequence. Let's show you what the script looks like. Here's the script, and it's actually executing all the API calls to create the sequence we were just talking about. So if we run this, it will start creating the tasks, the data source, the forms, the delegated forms, and the access. Quick and simple. We'll just wait until it's finished. And there it is. So it has created these 2 tasks. It also created a form, the delegated form, and the data source, so everything is being automatically created by that single script. If we go to the Manager dashboard and we do a refresh, then the created form will show that it's fully operational. We can search for a user, it is executing a data source with a task, etc. All created by that single script. Thank you for your interest and have a wonderful day.